Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn the structure of a PhD thesis chapter by chapter, like telling a long, detailed story about a discovery. Most theses follow a standard 5 to 6 chapter format. Let's preview the chapters first. Chapter 1 is the introduction. This chapter sets the stage and explains what you are studying and why it matters. It includes background, the problem statement, research questions like Q1 through QN, and the significance of the work. Chapter 2 is the literature review. Here you show what is already known, identify the gap, and explain the theoretical framework that guides your work. Chapter 3 is methodology. This is your recipe. You explain your research design, participants or data, instruments, and how you analyze the data. Chapter 4 is results. This is just the facts. You present data using tables, charts, and graphs. You may show statistical findings like p less than 0.05 or correlation coefficient r. Chapter 5 is discussion. Here you interpret what the results mean, compare them to the literature, and explain the implications for the field. Chapter 6 is the conclusion. You summarize the project, acknowledge limitations, and propose future research directions. Finally, a thesis includes additional parts like references and appendices. References list every source you cited. Appendices include extra materials such as surveys, long proofs, or raw data tables. And that is the standard structure of a PhD thesis, explained chapter by chapter. Thank you for watching.